Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get and use BlueStacks on Mac. Firstly, open System Preferences, Software Update and install any pending updates on your Mac OS. Go to the official BlueStacks website and download the Mac OS version. Wait for the download to finish. Then locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click the BlueStacks installer icon to open it. If prompted with a message asking permission, click Open. Next, click Install Now in the installer window and enter your macOS username and password when prompted and click Install Helper to proceed. If you see a System Extension Blocked message, just open Security and Privacy. Go to Apple menu, System Preferences, Security and Privacy. Look for the message System software from developer Oracle America Inc. was blocked from loading. Just click Allow to proceed. Now all you have to do is follow the remaining prompts to the installer. Once completed, BlueStacks will launch automatically. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.